Hello! Happy New Year to everyone. It's 2019 and today we will be unboxing this. Okay, this will be our first unboxing for 2019 at ito ay ang Xiaomi or Mi Dashcam. Okay, so dyan lang kayo. This is the Mi Dashcam, and recently I've heard a lot of good feedback dito sa device na to. Coming from Mi or Xiaomi, I think that's one of the most underrated tech companies out there. So we will be unboxing this today, and then I will be having another video for the installation and sample videos or sample footages manggagaling dito sa device na to. So for today, we'll be unboxing it. Okay? So with no further ado, let's do it. Okay, so there is your camera, the Xiaomi Dashcam. Okay, so we'll be unboxing, and actually buksan na namin ito sa store kasi testingin namin. So this will be a pseudo unboxing. Okay, so first off, this is the box. This is the ito yung itsura ng camera sa loob, Mi Dashcam. Sa ilalim you have perfect in low light, accident video, 3-inch widescreen, and then touch control. Sa gilid yung Mi na logo, sa kabilang gilid it's the same thing. At sa dulo Mi na logo ulit. Sa ilalim wala. Hindi, meron pala. Meron mga ano lang. Okay, so buksan natin. There, sa gilid. So ayun ang iyong camera. Okay, so meron pa siyang protective cover sa sa lens. There. Medyo manipis siya. Thinner than I expected actually. So ayan siya. So dito papasok yung yung power. Ito para dun sa holder. I think this is the power. Dito papasok yung memory card. So wala siyang internal memory. Yung memory niya magagaling sa micro SD. So I was told sa store that you need class 10 micro SD card. A 32 gig would last you 4 hours of footages. Okay. And this is a film. So sabi sa akin sa store, ito muna ididikit mo sa windshield. Tapos didikit mo ito dun sa film. Tapos ito. So nakaganon siya. Tapos dito nakalagay yung camera. Okay, and then what else? You have the adapter for the car charger. Isang USB outlet lang siya. You also have another box. So ano laman itong box na to? Meron siyang cable. I'm not sure kung anong kahaba yung cable, but medyo mahaba siya, which I think is sufficient enough para manggaling sa dashcam hanggang doon sa support ng charger. And you have the manual. Okay, and this camera goes with comes in English as well. So meron kasi before na Chinese lang. This particular one have English instructions or English menu. So it will be easier to use compared to as the Chinese one. Okay, and actually I bought this and it retails for 2,990 pesos. Okay, so for those out there who would want to use a cheap but quality camera, this one's for you. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so that concludes our unboxing for today. And watch out for the upcoming videos wherein I will be installing the dashcam sa auto. And we'll be having, or I'll be showing some sample footages for you to judge kung malinaw nga ba siya o hindi. So it's 2019 and I will be creating more videos for this year, and there will be a lot of in store for you. So kung hindi ka pa subscriber, ano pang hinihintay mo? So click the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of new upcoming videos from me. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. You all have a good day.